Hi. In this video, I will show you how to install and use the Google Language Switcher extension for OpenCart. First, log into your OpenCart admin panel. Go to Extensions Installer. Click the Upload button and select the extension file. Once the upload is complete, the module will be ready for installation. Now go to Extensions, and select Modules from the extension type dropdown. Look for Google Language Switcher in the module list. Click the Install button. After installation, click the Edit button to configure the module. Here, you can enable the module, set your default site language, and configure options like browser language detection and pop-up behavior. Once configured, click the Save button. Next, go to Extensions Modifications. You will see Google Language Switcher listed among the modifications. Click the Refresh button to rebuild the modification cache. Now go to the dashboard. Click the Clear Theme Cache and Clear SAS Cache buttons to ensure the latest changes are applied. Next, open your storefront. You will see the Translate button displayed at the top of the website. Click the Translate button. A pop-up will appear with a drop-down list containing more than 100 languages supported by Google Translate. For this demonstration, I am selecting Russian. You can see that the store content is instantly translated into Russian. You can navigate through different pages, and the content will continue to appear in the selected language. If you want to switch back, you can select Show Original from the Google Translate toolbar. This allows visitors to easily switch between translated and original content. Thank you for watching.